Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon.
Okay, you may now sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, today, before we will start our proper discussion, first, I want you to introduce first my classroom rules. Okay, my classroom rules. First, join and participate. Second, understand and follow direction. Third, demonstrate respect. And fourth, ignore distractions. And fifth, listen attentively. And sixth, yoke together. And last, no cell phone. In today's session, I am your teacher, Julie. So, now, I am here for 3 pictures given. In order to get the answers, sa ibaba ng armchair niyo, pakitingnan kung merong nakalagay. Okay. So those 3 persons, please stand up. Stand up, 3 persons. Okay. What word that you have there? Middle. Average. Measure. Okay, Kukilia. Based from that given picture, that middle, saan yan ilalagay? Then, you pa rin. Average. Pakilagay kung saan. Then last, you, standard. Okay, lahat ba ay tama?
Yes!
Okay, we have measure, average, middle. So, based from the different words, who have an idea what is our lesson for today? Okay, you, Yanko. Measures of central tendency. Another. Yes, Trumbao. Yes, Trumbao.
Measure of central tendency of the group data.
Okay, exactly our topic for today is all about measures of central tendency for group data. So first, I want to post my objective. Okay. Our objectives for today's lesson. Everybody read.
At the end of the lesson, students are expected to A. Illustrate measure of central tendency for group data, mean, median, and mode. B. Appreciate the concept of measuring the central tendency for group data through sum writing. C. Exhibit activity participation or activities involving measure of central tendency for group data.
Okay. So, those are my objectives that guided today's lesson. We're able to meet this session. So, now I want you to group accordingly to the different candies inside the box. Get one and do not eat first. Faster, get one. Sige, get one. Okay. So, the red icon will be group 1. Okay. So, please get your activity sheets. Group 1, stand up! Okay, group 1, sit there. There. Then, blue icon will be the group 2. Yes, then pati blue icon. Sige, can you wait na? Then the Choco Joy will be the group 3. Representative, pagkikuha dito sa ano. Then, punta kayo kung saan kayo comfortable inside the classroom. Magano. Next, the max color yellow. Yellow? Okay. The max. Walang max. Okay. Then, ay bird. Wala pang ano, wala pang direction. Number. Then, XO. Okay. Kung saan kayo comfortable. Okay. Saan ang green icon? The blue. The snowbird. Okay, ang gagawin nyo, di ba meron activity dyan? Okay. Calculate, measure, substantial tendency. Kahit anong proseso ng iyong alcohol, formula, gawin nyo. Okay, our rubrics for today's activity. First, accuracy. Listen. 5 points, all answers are correct. 3 points, some answers are not correct. And 2 points, all answers are not correct. Timeliness. The group finished before the allotted time. 5 points. The group finished in the allotted time. 3 points. The group finished after the allotted time. 2 points. Cleanliness. Okay. Cleanliness. Work is organized and no pressure. 5 points. And 3 points. Some part of the activities is a little pressure. And the last, most of the activity are unorganized and many erasure. Okay, you have direct answer nasa you have only 5 minutes for you have only 5 minutes. Then at the back of that, or if not by You have 2 minutes left. Yes. After the back of that. Gamitin yung sa likuran kahit na ano. Present man yan ninyo. One minute left. Never you right there, you present it later. Seconds two. Okay, time is up. Stop working. Time is up. Okay, minus na kayo naman sa points. 20.5. Rina, face your answers on the board. Where is the row of red icon?
Mom, dili ko
Then go back to your proper seats. Okay, where is the representative for red icon? Send. Sige. Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, teachers. So this is the work of red. So first we find the x or the plus mark. So 71 plus 80 divided by 2, so 75.5. So paano naman so sila. So next time i-solve na mo ang f, so which is f times x. So i-times na mo ang 8 to 75.5 is equivalent to 604, tapos equal to 1,645 while the frequency is 30. So, ang next na step ang game mo ay define na mo ang lower boundary. So, which is 70.5, 60.5, 50.5, 40.5, then 30.5. And next na po, define na mo ang cumulative frequency or CF. So, to find the cumulative frequency, so magtugod ni sa August month, pinaka lowest equivalent sa class interval. So, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. 22 plus 8 is equal to 13. So, next. So, we kanang define na mo ang class mean. So, which is 1,645 divided by 30. So the mean is 54.83. So, next is the median. So, una nga step, kung paano sa pagbuhat ng median is we will find the value of N to find the median. So, 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15. So, dili niya siya makakuha. So, dili niya siya mapunta. So, which is dili. Isang lang. So 50.5 plus hindi mo sabihin 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 ganyan. Wait lang ma'am, ano yung sabihin? So N is 50 minus 9. 7. So times the interval and the 50.5. So wait for it.
Prepare the
15 minus 9 is equal to 6. So we need to divide the 6 to 7. So 6 divided by 7 is equivalent to 0.857714287. So times 10. So 1.2244 blah blah blah. So plus 50.5. So the equivalent is 51.72. Thank you.
Okay, mom your hands. Next, blue icon. 1, 2, 3. Start now.
Good afternoon everyone, good afternoon teachers. This is the work of Blue Icon. So ikuha lang mo ang plus 5 by 70 plus 80 divided by 2. So ang answer is 75 by 5. Sa FX kay 25.5 times 2 sa recorded amount total by answer kay 1,745. And last kaya lower boundaries. There is a
Class interval.
class interval division. There is a 25 then.
Next. Then,
Ang interval kay 10 kay 21 kay 21 is equal to 8. Yan na namin yung start. So, it's na namin 1,725 divided by 20 equals was 8.6.
Next group. The Choco Joy. Start.
Sama dyan eh.
So, we calculate the measure of tendency. So, ilagay na kung isulat ang bukas interval and the frequency. So, the class mark is 75.5. Nakuha naman siya by add the class interval, then divide it into 2. So, ano siya? Okay? Sunod. Sunod, ang frequency at the class mark. So, frequency, ikuha na mo ang frequency of the class mark by i-times na mo ang frequency of ang class mark. So, next, kaya ang LB. So, nakuha na mo ang lower boundary. Ikuha na siya dito sa class interval kay minus 0.5 na mo siya. Tapos, next, ang cumulative frequency. So, nakuha na mo cumulative frequency from the frequency ang siya ni so 5 plus 4, 9.
Insert ay sa pinaka-lowest ano. So, second is we calculate the mean. So, mean equals the frequency divided by the total of fs is divided by the cumulative frequency. So, we got our answer na 58.70. Then, sa median namin is nasa loob. Kasi yung pilot namin hindi naman ano. First namin kinuha ay yung L. Pilot na
Kinuha sa group. Next, lower. Lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start.
So, ikuha na mo ang kaming class mark by 1 hour. 71 plus 8 ay 80 plus 71 divided by 2. So, ngayon sa 75.5 na yun. So, ikuha. Explain your work written that Manila people.
Saan nyo kinuha yung mean? Morning what figure. Total frequency. Then the median. Hindi tapos yung median. Okay. Thank you, Snowbird. So, next! Last one na tayo. Dalawa pa. EXO! Start!
Plus ang 71 plus 80 then divide to answer. Mali siya. 10.
Next.
Times frequency of
Next.
ang sa LB guys,
Then the mean. Okay. Enough na. Okay, sit down. XO. Adjust. Max. 1. Start now.
Una, gagawa naman class mark is class na mga gagawa ng ganyan. Divide ang ako. So, para answer. Ano pala yan? Asalan. 130 sila. Ipupunta na ako. Tapos, ang fx na kuha nila sa at kita sa class mark sa frequency. Wala answer. Wala na. Ayan na sa akin na. Total lang mo pila ka natin. Total kay 1,245. Dahil ako na to kay Mitra kay 1,000 naman. Ako na yung sa Miyan. Tapos,
Then,
mean is equals to 1,745 divided by 13. Mo the answer which is 20.
okay, thank you. Okay, bigyan ng ibang bagsak ang iyong sarili. Okay. Tingnan yung nasa PowerPoint. Instead of that F yan. F, then the FX. Okay, to more understanding how to calculate the measures of central tendency for group data, we're having to discuss the 3 parts of measures of central tendency. Okay, we have the mean, the median, and the mode. Okay. So first, we have the mean, which is the x or the mean, the f the frequency, and the x the plus mark, and the n the total frequency. Then the median word, the total frequency, the LB sub MD lower boundaries of median class, the frequency of median class, and the class width, and the cumulative frequency before preceding the class. Then the last, the mode. Okay. The mode, we have the lower boundaries of model class, the D sub 1 difference of the model class, and the class preceding it, then the D sub 2 difference of the model class and succeeding it. So now, based from your activity, how did you get the results? Paano nyo nakuha or anong in-apply nyo para inyo alam kung ano talaga ang tamang formula for that particular topic. Sige, anybody? Anybody? How to get your results? Sige, adorable. Stand up.
Nakuha namin ang result na
Yes.
ng aming group activity sa pamamagitan ng gamit sa mga formula ng the measures of central tendency or group data.
Okay, thank you, adorable.
Yahoo!
Okay, Sabanal. Another idea. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Last.
May lagay doon sa table. Kasi di ba sa table na meron siyang fx. So, like, anticipate ka nga may frequency pati x.
Okay, di tayo makakompute sa median mode pag hindi complete yung table. Thank you so much. Okay, now, arrange your chairs properly. Go back to your seats. Go back to your proper seats. Okay, get 1/4 sheet of paper for individual activity. Stand up. Okay. Write your insights about the measures of central tendency for group data. Your own insights. Kanab. Read. Okay, thank you, Aralia. Last person. Mona Lisa.
Kaya kaya.
Mona Lisa. Gagaw. Okay. Thank you. Okay, next activity. This is your last activity. Get another or 80 sheets of paper. Compose or write song according to the median mode. Each word have at least 2 or 3 sentences. Like for example, the mean dapat meron 2 or 3 sentences na song. Then the median also, then the mood. Starts now. And compose any song related to your real daily life. Yes, relate to daily life. Then I will choose 2 students again to sing in front. 1 minute left. Are you done? Okay, pass your papers. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ma'am,
Kaya na lang.
Pipili ako dito according with the date. April 3. April 3. Right? So start for 4. Birthday boy. Okay, the birthday boy now, Renz. Renz. Go in front, Renz. The birthday girl. And the birthday girl.
so my next.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, mawala niya ako mag-propose sa
Okay, start, go.
Mode na lang muna. Mode. Yes, Papa. Eating friends. No, Papa. Telling lie. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Amid yan, sabi niya. Amash me web. Wash me nene. Amash me web. Wash me midyan. Sa min. What does the box say? What does the box say?
Last one. Kikoy!
Hi guys! So, kinakalik ang song ni compose ko, Miguel and Boy. So, wala. Kaya nga lang kasi medyo rough siya. I understand. X under the line, dividing it time to time, even when I'm offline, now we have median. Always in the end of the line, solving the table that's given at the time, no mode. Mode, do you want me to even addition and add that things we use day to day,
Thank you, Kiko. Nice game! Bigyan natin ng nice clap. One, two, three, go! Okay, is there any Next one, direct answer. Choose only the best answer. Okay, next.
Okay.
Raise the letter of group 1 kanina. The group 3, which is the... Yay! Kapajoy!
Yay, kapajoy!
Continue yours!
Next. Next naman.
Next!
Ako yung leader sa
Right.
blue.
The red and blue.
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 Blue ka mo.
Red.
Ma'am, red.
Ma'am, blue,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
dito ako.
Andun na yung red.
Kitchen ring
Blue.
blue. Ma'am, blue, ma'am.
Red kami, ma'am.
Blue.
Blue. Blue.
Red.
Blue nga.
Sige, yan.
Blue.
Max.
XO.
EXO. Then, class. Max. Are you done?
Number 5, ma'am.
Okay, number 5. Okay, 7. Okay, test 2. Kami show pa ang one month.
Next, my last one. My test 3. Yes. Okay, next slide. Done? We are done. Pass forward. Sino ang nag-double na ano? Kaninong group? Nag-double reward. Sit down! Papers! Lana? Okay? That's all for today's lesson. Goodbye!